Imagine this. You're 29, sitting at your laptop wondering why your paycheck disappears faster than your weekend plans. You work hard. You try to save. But somehow money keeps slipping through your fingers. That's not bad luck. It's a lack of money wisdom. And the truth is, if you don't learn these lessons before 30, life will teach them to you the hard way. Let's talk about the money lessons you must learn before 30. The ones schools never teach, but adulthood demands. Here's lesson number 1. Your income doesn't make you rich. Your habits do. You can earn $80,000 a year and still live paycheck to paycheck if you spend like you're trying to impress people you don't even like. Real wealth starts when you flip the script. Spend less than you earn, invest the difference, and stop trying to look rich. Because financial freedom isn't about flexing, it's about options. The option to say no to a toxic job. The option to take a trip without checking your balance. The option to sleep at night without debt breathing down your neck. Lesson 2. Debt is not your enemy. Bad debt is. If you're borrowing money for things that lose value, like designer clothes or a new car you can't afford, you're digging your own hole. But if you use debt to grow, like starting a business or investing in your education, that's called leverage. The key is simple. If it doesn't make you money or improve your skills, it's not worth the interest rate. Lesson 3. Invest early, even if it's small. You've probably heard it before, but here's the truth. Time beats timing. Investing $100 a month in your 20s can grow more than $500 a month in your 40s, thanks to compound interest. That's not magic. That's math. Don't wait to have more money before you start. Start now and let time do the heavy lifting. Lesson 4. Learn to budget like it's a lifestyle, not a punishment. A budget isn't a restriction. It's a roadmap. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Apps like Mint or YNAB make it easy. But the mindset matters more. Know your numbers. Track your spending. Be brutally honest about what's helping you grow and what's holding you back. And lesson 5. The big one. Your mindset around money matters more than money itself. If you think wealth is only for the lucky or the smart investors, you'll never see opportunities right in front of you. Change how you think, and you'll change how you earn. Treat money as a tool, not a trophy. Learn how to manage it, respect it, and it will multiply. Here's how you can start today. List your top 3 expenses and cut one by 20%. Open an investment account, even if you start with $10. Set up automatic savings so you pay yourself first. Educate yourself. One podcast, one book, one YouTube video a week. Write one financial goal on a sticky note and put it where you'll see it every day. Picture this. A few years from now, your friends are still stressing about bills, but you're calm, building wealth quietly, traveling when you want, living on your terms. That's not luck. That's discipline, awareness, and smart choices made early. So if you're under 30, this is your wake-up call. And if you're over 30, start now. The best time to plant a financial seed was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. If this video helped shift your mindset, hit that like button, drop a comment with the lesson you're starting with, and subscribe for more life-changing tips on money, mindset, and success. Because financial freedom doesn't start when you make more. It starts when you learn more.